So welcome back students. Today we are going to see about bacteria. So the bacteria are a single cell prokaryotics. Okay, the bacteria are how many cells? It is only a single cell prokaryote. So the prokaryote means what? The cells without nuclei. Don't forget, you can underline this. The cells without nuclei. Okay. And next, listen carefully. They are considered to be the first living organism on the earth. Okay, in our earth, this bacteria only the first living organism. Okay, and next we are going to see about kingdom Monaria. That means the bacteria groups under the kingdom of which group? Monaria. Okay, next listen, the study of bacteria. Okay, if you learned bacteria completely means they can be called it as bacteriology. Okay, the bacteria is called what? The study of bacteria is called what? Bacteriology. Next we are going to see about size. The size of bacteria ranges from 1 micrometer to 5 micrometer. 1 micrometer to 5 micrometers. Okay, next, how many types in this bacteria? There are the 2 types of bacteria, anaerobic bacteria and aerobic bacteria. Okay, first we are going to see about aerobic bacteria. It requires oxygen. Okay, so without oxygen the aerobic bacteria won't live. Okay, next one, anaerobic bacteria. So in this anaerobic bacteria, it's a bacteria does not require oxygen. For this they do not need the oxygen. Next you see the structure, cell structure of bacteria. You see the pictures. Okay, these are the cell structure of bacteria. Okay, the diagram is most important, students. Okay, the bacteria has outer covering is known as what? Cell wall. Okay, and here is the cell wall is present. Okay, so by using of this diagram you can be learned clearly. Okay, so next, the nuclear materials is represented by nucleoid with the what? Which membrane? Nuclear membrane. Okay, then next you can see the chromosome DNA. It is called as what? Plasmid, and it is present in cytoplasm. And next, protein. Okay, this protein synthesis is carried by how many ribosome? 70 S ribosome. And in this cell structure of bacteria, there are the few cells organelles are there. Listen carefully. They are mitochondria, Golgi, body, endoplasmic reticulum, and etc. And specially they are absent. Okay, the flagella aids in locomotions. Okay, the organelle cells are, listen carefully students, the flagella aids in locomotion. The flagella aids very important for locomotion. Locomotion means it's moving from one place to another place. And you listen, and here the few examples of bacteria: bacilli and spirilla, cocci, vibrio. Okay, these are the shapes of bacteria. Listen, by using of this bacteria they can give the name like that way. Okay, cocci, bacillus, vibrios, and spirea. Okay, and see the some few examples also. Okay, Vibrio cholerae, Pseudomonas, Rhodospirillum, and Rubellum. Okay, these are the most important example of the bacteria. That means it's have it will be considered for a flagella, single cell flagella, tuft flagella, and tuft flagella at both the end. That is the Pseudomonas. It's having the flagella at one end only. Okay, and this Amphitrichosis, this tuft flagella, it's have the both the end. And next, peritrichosis, and these flagella are all around. It will be present all over the body. Next, atrichus. Okay, these are what? Without the flagellum. By using of the flagellum we can be find out easily the different type of bacteria. Okay, so these are the flagellum. Okay, the two side and only one end of the sides, and it is all through the side of the flagellus will be present here. Thank you students. We can be seated next part. Thank you.